The truth about dogs, why they are one of the best pets. Dogs have been man's best friend for centuries, and they continue to play an important role in our lives today. They are considered one of the most common pet animals in the world. They are kept as pets for many reasons, including companionship, protection, and hunting. There are many different breeds of dogs, and each has its own personality and set of needs. Some people may choose to keep a dog as a pet because they provide companionship. Dogs are known for their loyal nature and will often stick by their owner's side. They are also great at providing comfort, especially to people who are feeling down. Dogs will often wag their tail or paw at their owner to show they care. Many people also keep dogs as pets for protection. Dogs can be trained to act as guard dogs and will bark or attack anyone who comes near their home. This can provide peace of mind to people who live in dangerous neighborhoods or have valuable possessions that they want to protect. Some people keep dogs as pets for hunting purposes. Dogs can be trained to track down prey and bring it back to their owner. This can be helpful for hunters who want to bag small game or birds. Dogs can also be used to track down larger prey such as deer or boar. Dogs are also known for their ability to provide assistance to people with disabilities. Dogs can be trained to help people who are blind or deaf. They can also be taught to perform tricks that can help people with physical disabilities. Perhaps most importantly, dogs provide a much-needed sense of connection and belonging for those who might otherwise feel isolated from the world around them. Whether providing assistance or simply offering a friendly face, dogs truly are man's best friend. They are even known to help with mental disorders such as anxiety and depression. Dogs can help ease the symptoms of these disorders by providing comfort and companionship. They can also help people to feel more connected to the world around them and encourage them to be more active. For others, dogs are simply a fun and furry addition to the family. They provide us with endless hours of amusement and are always there to greet us with a wagging tail when we come home. No matter what reason you have for keeping a dog as a pet, there is no doubt that they are one of the best animals to have by your side. So, what is the truth about dogs? They are one of the best pets in the world. They offer companionship, protection, assistance, and so much more. If you are considering adding a furry friend to your family, be sure to do your research and find a breed that is right for you. You won't regret it. Whatever the reason, dogs make great pets and are one of the best animals to have as part of the family.